Hey folks, JD here, and the MJX Bugs 2SE, this bloke. What I want to do is I want to take him up and get a bit of distance out of him. Now, the laws on distance in the UK have altered. You can only take it as far as you can see it with your eyes. So that may be a bit tricky, but I can see pretty well if we go straight towards that clearing. So what I'm going to do is we're going to calibrate this again for this particular field, as we have shifted around different locations a few times the past couple of weeks. We're going to calibrate it, we're going to take her up, we're going to see exactly how she does with a little bit of distance. So this is what we're going to do. I thought we'd have a little look and see, because before I didn't really take it out that far around here. This whole field is about 165, 170 metres long, and I wanted to take her out and see exactly what we had out of her from a sort of like from a distance perspective. And we've done a bit of distance with her. I mean, we flew over the trees the other week, and you know, we really have taken her out on some quite nice flights. But I wanted to see exactly what it was that she was capable of a little bit more. I mean, obviously the law dictates, as I said at the start of the video, that I can only fly her where I can see her. So obviously I'm not going to be doing, you know, oodles of distance with this, but I am going to be taking her out a little way and seeing exactly how she goes. So, do you know what? It never ceases to amaze me with these quadcopters, with the Bugs range, just how smooth and just how well they just fly. Absolutely, absolutely. Flying into the sun there a little bit. Oh, look at that though! Just really great, and just hold itself so well. I mean, are you going to hold yourself so well? Takes him a little while. I don't know what is going on here today, but it seems a little bit strange. Not the bugs yourself, but just see that there, where he just kind of like swooped, and then the satellites locked it. Maybe there's something going on that we don't know about. But yeah, do you know what? It's just, let's have a little look at that sunrise. Up we go, Mr. Bugs. That's lovely, isn't it? Look at that. The birds flying. Nice little bit of sun there as well. That's really not too bad. Now, as you probably noticed, this field is pretty waterlogged from all the rain that we've had. It's been a absolute monsoon the past couple of weeks. Really has been quite incredible. And fortunately now we're getting some nice weather. Let's just take her out, take her around. You can see parts of the field are flooded. Oh, I love flying these. Just great bits of fun. And you can hear it through the air. It just sounds so great, especially as it gets further away. I did think when I first did the unboxing for this, when it said that the max speed was 10 meters per second, I did think to myself, "Oh, that's going to be a little bit, you know, that's not fast," because I'm used to the Spark, used to the Unique, used to the Parrot Bebop. And then I thought to myself, 10 meters per second? Are you really having a laugh? That is pretty quick, and it is. I mean, it gets from one end of the field to the other in no time. It really does. Really does. Really is damn impressive. Now, as we're getting further out, I am losing Wi-Fi signal. I like doing these passes, taking her out a little bit further each time. There she is. Hello, Mr. Bugs, or there, hello, Mrs. Bugs, whichever you prefer. It was really impressive to see when we were flying in all those high winds a couple of weeks ago, that you know, it's just so capable of putting up with all of that. I mean, one reason I like doing those wind tests is because you often find that manufacturers will say in a manual is capable of doing this, and you know, we don't really see it. I don't really experience that. So when we take her out for a nice little speed flight, or little wind flight rather, I often think to myself, wow, yeah, you know, let's really sort of push what they're capable of. And it's getting really quite difficult to see how she's going out. We're getting some quite nice distance over her. Ha ha ha. Right, okay. Air brakes, please. Alright then, let's bring her down. Well, I tell you what, folks, I'm going to call that a day there, I think. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening, my friends. I've been JD, you've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.